Hi guys, I'm Robinson from Hindustan Times Tech, and in this video we'll be talking about the Gimbal Camera smartphone Vivo X50 Pro's features. Now we'll be talking about the cameras of this device, the battery, the screen and the processor. So let's get started. So guys, this is the Vivo X50 Pro smartphone, and the handset weighs around 181 grams and its dimensions are 158.4 by 72.8 and 8.04 mm. The handset has a 6.56 inch Full HD Plus resolution display, which means around 2376 by 1080 pixels, and the panel used here is the Super AMOLED panel. Now powering the device is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor, and this comes along with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of inbuilt storage. And on the software side of things, you have Android 10 based FunTouch OS 10.5. On the camera front, you get a 48 megapixel gimbal stabilization sensor along with a 13 megapixel sensor, 8 megapixel sensor and another 8 megapixel sensor for telephoto. In addition, you have a 32 megapixel front facing camera. Now this camera has f2.45 aperture. On the connectivity side, you have Wi-Fi dual bands 2.4G and 5G along with Bluetooth 5.1 and USB 2.0. You also get GPS and OTG support. The Vivo X50 Pro supports dual nano SIM slots as well with dual standby, and then you have a fingerprint sensor along with accelerometer, proximity sensor, gyroscope sensor, ambient light sensor and much more. So the Vivo X50 Pro also has 92.6% screen to body ratio along with DCI P3 color gamut and 1300 nits of max brightness. Its AMOLED displays also claim to emit 61% less harmful blue light as compared to LCD displays. As for the battery, you have a 4315 mAh battery that supports 33 watt flash charge 2.0 technology, and along with this you have the AK4377A audio chip. So guys, that was our quick look at the Vivo X50 Pro smartphone's features. Now this device comes with Type-C port, a 6.5 inch Full HD screen, Snapdragon 765 processor, 8GB of RAM and much more. If you like this video, do let us know, and I'm Robinson. I'll see you in the next one.